1:30 on this Thursday afternoon. You're looking at a Metro Currents map, and I hope you have discovered this. If you go to the desktop site, click on the Portland-Salem Metro page. On the upper right-hand side, you'll see a blue text link with an arrow that says Metro Currents. Click on it, and you'll get this map. It's not fancy, but it's really wonderful information. Here's PDX with an east wind along the Columbia River at 38 degrees. You move into downtown, temperatures anywhere in the downtown area, 37, 34 on the west side. There's a 38. I'm not sure exactly where that is, but generally above freezing. Then you get out on the west side. Look at Hillsboro, 28, 31, 30 out in Washington County. Even moving into Beaverton, 33. And then down toward McMinnville, Yamhill County, Sherwood, temperatures around freezing. So that really gives you the most comprehensive live look at temperature stations around the area. It's a wonderful tool. I look at it all the time. So with that said, we've had reports already this afternoon of freezing rain down in the Albany-Corvallis area with rain falling, light showers, temperatures in the 20s. Now we have rain that's getting ready to move into the west metro. So some of those areas out in far Washington, Yamhill counties will likely see some freezing rain in the coming hour. But overall, as this moisture moves in, it will have a tendency to actually bump the temperatures up. So that's good news. So if you live in a spot where you're looking at your thermometer and it's 36 degrees right now, I think you're out of the woods. I think downtown Portland is out of the woods. This will just be rain. But we will see increasing rain for the remainder of this afternoon. At some point late this afternoon or early this evening, I think for the most part, all of those cold air pockets will be scoured out. And we'll see above freezing temperatures, and then we'll stay above freezing all night into Friday morning. We'll see morning rain showers Friday eventually come to an end during the day, probably during the morning hours. So that's an update on this forecast. Hope you're doing well, watching the radar, watching the temperature, and I'll talk to you soon.